Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy Repellent and Hawthorne, and I am here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Rancho Palos Verdes, California to South Bend, Indiana. I'm not going to show you my address. Sorry about that. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com. That's R-I-P-T apparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. Save a few dollars off each and every shirt if you use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. So I got some paper. This is a multi-pack of AMC gift cards. Not exactly sure. So this is $45. I probably spent somewhere between $30 and $35 on this. So I love going to the movies. I just saw The War with Grandpa a few minutes ago. Just got home. I love saving when I can. Movie theaters can be kind of expensive, especially right now. So a way for me to save money is to get gift cards at a reduced rate. So I'm actually paying less for concessions, which can be exorbitant. I'm also paying less for tickets. I also go earlier, so usually my tickets are usually cheaper. Somewhere like California, they're like $18 tickets. My ticket today was $4 as an example. So if I can save in any aspect, I try, and doing so with a reduced gift card like this absolutely helps me out. What are some movies that you like going to see? Movie theaters that you patronize? What's a movie you loved, you hated? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. What's your favorite brand of theater to go to? Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out my other ones. Have a great day.